Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to get Binance Live customer support if you are facing any problem Binance Exchanger. First open the Binance apps, then click on this headphone icon. Here if you are click headphone icon, then show this tab, scroll down, then click get support. To get live customer support, type here Binance. If you are type here Binance, then show more article. Click one here, work with Binance. Viewers, if you are click work with Binance, then show new search option. Click here, I need live customer support. Okay, I text and send the short message, then forward this message, this option Binance Assistant. If you are need Binance Human Live Customer Support, please click here OK. And click here OK button, then transfer it Binance Assistant on Binance Human team. Look at this, already my Binance Human Support created. Thanks for watching.